Yes, music coming from When in Rome. All right. The Promise. In Tagalog, babayaran din kita. Hintayin mo lang. Yun yung Tagalog version daw noon. The Promise. Kayo po ay nakatutok sa 107.1 FM Radyo Bandera. Jam it with me, DJ Tommy G, para sa ating Golden Age of Radio. Isa munang imbitasyon mula sa amin, ha? Mula sa amin sa Radyo Bandera. Kayo'y aming iniimbitahan this coming April 27. Alright, starting at 1 p.m. to 5 p.m. The mayoralty and vice mayoralty debate will be happening here at Casa Gilda Resort, where the radio station is also located. Dito rin po matatagpuan sa Casa Gilda Resort yung Radyo Bandera 107.1 FM radio station, radio studio. Okay, this is in partnership with the Social Action Center of Zambales, or SACZ, Parish Pastoral Council for Responsible Voting, or PPCRV, and the National Movement for Free Elections, or the NAMFREL. All right. The second Olongapo City Mayoralty Debate 2025 and the Vice Mayoralty Debate as well. April 27, 1 p.m. to 5 p.m. Casa Gilda Resort, Holy Spirit Village, here in Tabacuhan, Barangay Santa Rita, Olongapo City. You're all invited. Ang lahat po ay inimbitahan. Libre lang, walang bayad. Libre lang yan, ha? Kung gusto nyo mapanood yung debate ng mga kandidato natin. At saka maganda ring mapakinggan natin yung kanilang mga plataforma, no? Alright? At saka bukod doon, sabi nga nung mga madalas magpayo sa atin, mga political experts sa Facebook. Lagi raw nating titingnan yung Pero tama naman sila. Lagi raw nating titingnan yung kanilang track record, importante rin 'yun. Oo. Yan, alam niyo na siguro pag sinabing track record, no? Ilang track ba yung ilang track yung bumoto. Hindi, biro lang. Track record, ano na yung mga nagawa. Kahit naman hindi pa nanungkulan dati, syempre kumakandidato yan. May mga advocacies yan, may mga advokasya yan para makatulong. Or simply, yung mga nagawa niya sa buhay niya, ano na yung mga pinagdaanan niya, yung kanyang track record, ika nga. Okay? Pang politika man o pang hindi, syempre factor yan di ba? To consider. So, alamin kilalanin, galingan natin pumili this time, okay? Yung pag-asenso ng Pilipinas, ang tagal ko nang pinapangarap yan. Kasi bata pa ako, naririnig ko na no? Tuwing eleksyon. Asenso! Ano pa ba? Pabahay! Libreng edukasyon! Yan, lagi yan, tuwing eleksyon. So, ibig sabihin, kung hanggang ngayon naririnig mo, walang nagtatagumpay. walang nakagawa. Hanggang ngayon naririnig ko di ba? Tama naman, di ba? So, alamin, busisiin, kilalanin ang mga kumakandidato. Ayan, okay? Alright. And speaking of alamin, busisiin, eto rin ating alamin at busisiin. Makiusyoso tayo, sali na tayo. Summer Fair is ongoing. Day 1 today sa Royal Duty Free, okay? April 5 to 6, actually, 2025, Canal Road Parking, Manila Avenue, and it started kaninang 4 p.m. So ongoing po ang Summer Fair ng Royal Duty Free. Enjoy game booths, prizes, food stalls, live music, street performances, and free entry with a 2,000 single receipt purchase from March 28 to April 6. Yung mga pinamili ninyo dapat, na resibo, okay? So punta lang kayo at Royal Duty Free, store number 2, Canal Road Parking, Manila Avenue. Starts today and up until tomorrow, Saturday and Sunday, your weekend fun na pwede niyong puntahan. Royal Duty Free Shops. Visit their website, www.royalsubic.com, or call them up 252-3258, the hotline number of Royal Duty Free. Okay, here's something now from 1985. This one's the song from The Cure. This is called In Between Days, right here on the Golden Age of Radio with DJ Tommy J. 107.1 FM Radyo Bandera. Coming to you live from Casa Gilda Resort, Tabacuhan, Olongapo City.